Hey guys, this is Max. Today we're looking at a tape dispenser gun made by Tape King. So yeah, let's take a look. It came in this box, pretty sturdy box. Yeah, pretty straightforward, guys. This is a pretty sweet tape gun as I saw online, so let's take a look here. All right, there we go. So, all right, this is a 3-inch tape gun. It's not made for the standard 2-inch tape. So the 3-inch tape, kind of gives you a wider coverage area. So the other cool thing about this is that it comes with a customary tape roll as well, or a complementary tape roll rather. So this is a pretty heavy-duty gun. So just to give you an idea here, I'm gonna pull this tape off, put it back on. It's got this little blade right here, all right, and there's the blade cover. So this is they call it a secure blade. So it's very sharp, but it's got this cover here to protect you when you're not using it. So that's a cool little feature. So that being said, we want to make sure that the tape is facing down, the sticky side facing down. So we just put this right here on the rolls. Now if it's let me just get it on there first. All right, so if we want to make the tape come out quickly or more slowly, depending on how fast you want to be doing something, how fast you want to be taping up a box or something like that, you could just loosen this up. It's going to go faster, or tighten it if you want to go slower, if you want it to be more secure. So what we're going to do here is take the sticky part of the tape. All right, I'm going to pull out this little part down here. We pull the tape through here. So there it is right there. In fact, I might want to loosen this up just a little bit so it comes out a little easier. All right, I'm going to remove the blade right here. All right, so I can get that part off. Yeah, it's real sharp, guys, so that's good. So yeah, that's how it works. So we got the handle is very strong right here. And again, this is a 3-inch tape, so it's gonna cover a lot of area. This is real heavy duty. So yeah, guys, it looks like everything came as it was supposed to. I'm gonna take this over to a box and I'll show you how it works. Okay guys, I'm going to show you real quick how this tape gun works. It's pretty straightforward. We already got it loaded, so I'm just going to put the tape right here. And then it just cuts off just like that. Guys, this is a really strong tape gun. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to do it one more time for fun because this tape gun is really, it works really well just like it was supposed to work. So, boom. There it is, guys. Tape King tape gun. Check it out on Amazon.